Dude, I'm really hungry. Shut up. Dude, I'm ready for some Hooters. Look, I don't know where that's even at. You're just being an idiot. I'm getting sick of this. Shut up.
Dude, we've been driving. You said we'd be there like 20 minutes
Shut up.
ago.
Whoa!
Oh!
Oh my goodness. Dude, give me my knife. What was that? Where's the knife?
Dude, the knife is right here. The knife, oh, here it is.
Give me the knife.
Hey, come here.
Come on. Dude. Oh. Dude, what is he? Oh my goodness. I don't think he's breathing. Oh!
Knife!
Oh my goodness. Oh, dude, it went in his lower stomach. Oh my goodness.
Oh, let's get out of here.
Go.
I'm the new member of belchokitty.